In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the opening hours on Fresha, a platform beloved by businesses for its comprehensive beauty and wellness booking system. Whether you're a salon owner, a fitness studio, or a spa, keeping your business hours up to date on Fresha is essential for managing your bookings and client expectations efficiently. This tutorial will guide you through each step of updating your opening hours, ensuring your business information is accurate and current. Let's start with navigating to Fresha for Business. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and type in https://www.fresha.com/for-business into the address bar. This link will direct you straight to the business section of Fresha, where you can manage your venue's details, including opening hours. Once you're on the Fresha for Business page, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the Login button to proceed. It's important to log into your business account to make any changes, so you'll need to ensure you have your login details ready. After clicking on Login, you'll notice there's an option specifically for business accounts titled For Business. Select this option to continue logging in as a business user. This step ensures you're accessing the right part of Fresha to update your venue information. The next step is to sign in using your Google account. Click on the Sign In using Google option. This convenient feature allows you to use your existing Google account credentials for quicker access. Choose your Google account from the list provided if you have multiple accounts. This is particularly useful if you prefer a streamlined login process without remembering another password. When you're successfully logged in, navigate to the online booking section of Fresha. Here is where all the magic happens in terms of managing how clients can book with you. This section is critical for ensuring your availability matches your actual business hours. Within the online booking section, look for a button or link labeled Options. This might take a moment to find, but it's your gateway to further customization of your profile. After clicking on Options, the next step is to select Edit Profile. This is where you can update various aspects of your business profile on Fresha, but most importantly for our purposes today, it's where you can adjust your opening hours. Now, you might need to click on Continue a few times until you reach the section titled Add Your Opening Hours. This part of the process requires a bit of patience as you navigate through your business profile, but it's crucial for reaching the right area to make your updates. Once you've arrived at the Add Your Opening Hours section, it's time to adjust these to reflect your current operational hours. This is the crux of what we're here for. Take your time to accurately input the opening and closing times for each day you're open. You may find that your business hours vary from day to day, so ensure each entry is correct to avoid any confusion for your clients. After you've made your changes, the final step is to click on Save and Exit. This action will finalize the updates to your opening hours, ensuring that the changes are reflected on your Fresha business profile. It's important to save your changes to prevent having to redo any of your hard work. Remember, keeping your business hours up to date on Fresha not only helps with managing your bookings, but it also improves your client's experience by providing them with accurate information, reducing the likelihood of booking issues or misunderstandings. In conclusion, managing your opening hours on Fresha is a straightforward process that's essential for the smooth operation of your business. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll ensure that your business information is accurate, which is key to attracting and retaining clients. Whether you're adjusting your hours for a holiday, a special event, or a change in your regular schedule, keeping your Fresha profile up to date is an integral part of managing your online presence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and here's to your business's continued success on Fresha.